Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 81. EOJE. EOJE. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is A, second syllable is Je. Pronounce it with me. EOJE. EOJE. What is the meaning of the word EOJE? It means yesterday, and it could be used as an adverb of time. Again, EOJE means yesterday. How do you write EOJE in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable A, we need to draw first a placeholder or a no sound iyang followed by the A character. For the second syllable Je, we need to draw first a jiat character followed by an E character. Again, the syllable A is written with a no sound iyang and A character, and Je is written by drawing a jiat character and an E character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to write EOJE in Hangul. And with that, you've just learned EOJE. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 71 to 80. But don't forget our word for today, word number 81, EOJE, which means yesterday. The first word for our review is 내일, which means tomorrow. Next word for our review is 오늘, which means today. Next word for our review is 일어나, and this is used to say wake up or get up. Next word for our review is 오다, which means to come. Next word for our review is 언제, which is used to ask when. Next word for our review is 누나. This is used to say older sister, which is used by a younger brother. Next word is 언니. This is another term for older sister, and this is used by a younger sister. Next word for our review is 형. This is a term for older brother, and this is used by a younger brother. Next word is oppa. This is another term for older brother, which is used by a younger sister. And the last word for our review is 어머니, and this is used to say mother in Korean. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.